Your iPhone says, iCloud storage full, no more photos syncing. Backups are paused, and your apps stop updating. If you've searched, how do I free up iCloud storage? This is for you. I'll walk you through how to clear iCloud space on both your iPhone and Mac, step by step, with 0 upgrades required. Start by checking what's using your iCloud space. On iPhone, open Settings. Tap your name. iCloud. Select Manage Storage or iCloud Storage. On Mac, open System Settings. Click your name, iCloud, click Manage. Next to iCloud Storage. Optimize iPhone storage. Launch settings on your iPhone or iPad. Choose Photos in the Apps list. Make sure iCloud Photos is toggled on. Tap. Optimize iPhone storage. Delete large videos or duplicates. Open Photos app. Scroll down to Utilities, Duplicates. Tap Merge to combine them. It keeps the highest quality one. Empty recently deleted open photos. Swipe up, then tap the recently deleted album under Utilities. Tap Select, then select the photo or video that you want to delete. On Mac, open the Photos app. Go to Photos, Settings. Under the iCloud tab, enable iCloud Photos. Then select Optimize Mac Storage. Delete unnecessary files and empty trash. Old device backups, they pile up fast. On iPhone, go to Settings. Tap your name, iCloud, Backups. Delete backup. On Mac, System Settings. iCloud. Manage Backups. Delete any you no longer use. Next, clear space in iCloud Drive. On iPhone, open Files app. Tap Browse. iCloud Drive. Delete large or unused files. On Mac, open Finder. iCloud Drive. Sort by file size. Delete or move large files to local storage. Prefer using a browser? Visit iCloud.com. Access Photos, Drive, Mail. Delete files directly. Don't forget to clear the recently deleted folder too. Still low on space? Try these. Disable iCloud backup for unused apps. Empty mail trash and remove large attachments. Or upgrade your plan if you truly need more room. You now know how to free up iCloud storage on iPhone and Mac without paying a cent.